Hello my fashion lovers, you are welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you the very best in nail fashion. You know I always bring you nothing but the trendy and latest in nails fashion in this channel. So in this video which I have compiled for you here is a compilation of long acrylic nail designs for you my gorgeous queens. Watch this video from beginning to end and pick your best light. And as you watch, you see that these nails look so good and unique. We have the tip toes, we have the French cut, we have different cuts, different sizes, different designs of nails in this video. So watch to the end and pick your best light. And as you watch, kindly show some love and support to this channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and also feel free to share the video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And if there's any kind of nail that you would like me to make video on, you can put it down in the comment section and I will make it for you. Thank you as you do this, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.